Here is a Arctic Aire model U200 that I got from Mark Wilson back at one of the previous Fanimation trips. I think it was the one back in April, I believe. Anyway, this thing is in almost mint condition. There's a few scratches here and there, but I don't think there's any rust on this at all. But I think I might paint the grill on it at some point just to make it look even better. But anyway, it goes off, low, and high, and then back off. So anyway, we'll start off on low. It's got a either a Marco motor or a Fasco motor. I think it's a Fasco motor. Okay, we'll go to high. Whoops. Okay. The rattling's just the handle. It's got this kind of handle on it. And off. I've been wanting one of these little Fascos. Oh, not little, but I've been wanting one of these Fascos for a while now. Well, that's it, and until next time.